Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Sunday everyone. Well, I'm gonna marinate my chicken for the fried chicken afternoon. There. We have visitors today. This afternoon, somebody will come to visit us. Before I marinate the chicken, ito is lemon in salt to remove the, what do you call that in English, we call it in Tagalog, langsa ng manok. I forgot in English. I marinate this with lemon, salt and black pepper ground, a little bit garlic powder, and I try this like chicken joy later this afternoon before the visitors come in. But this noon time, I'll fry this salmon. I'll fry into the butter and garlic. It's our lunch today, and this is for dinner because we have visitors. We need to cook again later afternoon before the visitors come in to visit us. Our visitors is the one in the old house. Housemate in the old house. Your housemate in the old house. I need to massage with salt and lemon with this